Logarithmic differentiation. Let us discuss some examples. Find the derivative of a raised to x, where a is a positive constant. So, let us take first y equal to a raised to x. Now, logarithmic differentiation means we use logarithm to make the differentiation easy. So, if a function is of the form f of x raised to g of x, we use logarithmic differentiation. Okay. So, here a raised to x, it is of the form f of x raised to g of x, where f of x equal to a constant, g of x is equal to x. So, first step, you have to take y equal to the given function. Now, take logarithm on both sides. So, log y is equal to log of a raised to x. Now, the rule log of a raised to b is equal to b log a. So, we can apply the right side as x log a. So, log y is equal to x log a. Now, differentiate both sides with respect to x. So, log y means it is log function, its derivative is 1 by y. Now, derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx. Okay. Now, x log a, where log a is a constant. So, log a into derivative of x is 1. See, log a means it is a constant. If 2 is 2x means what is its derivative? 2 into derivative of x, that is 2. Same way, if 1 by 2x means its derivative is half 1 by 2 into derivative of x. Same way here log a is a constant. So, log a into derivative of x is 1. Now, dy by dx is equal to y into log a. Y log a. Now, replace y. What is y? Y is equal to a raised to x. So, a raised to x into log a. That is derivative of d by dx of a raised to x is equal to a raised to x into log a. Let us discuss another question. Find the derivative of cos x raised to sin x. So, first step, let y is equal to cos x raised to sin x. Now, take log on both sides. So, log y is equal to log of cos x raised to sin x. That becomes sin x into power into log of base, that is cos x. Now, differentiate both sides with respect to x. So, 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to first function sin x, second function log cos x. So, you have to apply product rule. First function into derivative of second function. Log function first, that is 1 by cos x. Now, second function cos x, that is minus sin x. See here, it is the composition of two functions. So we have to apply function of a function rule. Derivative of first log is 1 by cos x. 1 by x means here 1 by cos x into cos x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Now plus log cos x into sin x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. That is dy by dx is equal to y into minus sin x by cos x can be written as minus sin x into tan x plus cos x log cos x. Now replace y. So dy by dx is equal to cos x raised to sin x into minus sin x tan x plus cos x log cos x. So dy by dx equal to cos x raised to sin x into minus sin x tan x plus cos x log cos x. Next example. Find the derivative of x raised to x plus x raised to sin x. See here, the function is sum of the form f of x raised to g of x. See, the two functions are of the form f of x raised to g of x and their sum. In such case, we have to differentiate each function separately and find the derivative. Okay, so let us take y equal to x raised to x plus x raised to sin x. Now put u equal to x raised to x and v equal to x raised to sin x. That is y equal to u plus v. Now what will be dy by dx? Dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Equation 1. Now we have to find the derivative of u using logarithmic differentiation. So u equal to x raised to x and take log on both sides. So log u equal to x log x. Now differentiate with respect to x. So 1 by u into du by dx is equal to here product rule. So x into derivative of log x 1 by x plus log x into derivative of x is 1. Now we can cancel x, then it becomes 1 plus log x. So du by dx is equal to u into, that becomes x raised to x into 1 plus log x. Now we have to find dv by dx. So v equal to x raised to sin x, logarithm on both sides. So log v is equal to sin x log x. Now differentiate with respect to x. So 1 by v into dv by dx. Apply product rule. So sin x into log x, that is sin x by x, plus log x into sin x, derivative of sin x is cos x. So log x into cos x. Now dv by dx is equal to v into, what is v? X raised to sin x. So x raised to sin x into sin x by x plus log cos x, log x into cos x. Okay, now apply the result here. So dy by dx is equal to du by dx is this one, x raised to x into 1 plus log x, plus dv by dx means x raised to sin x into sin x by x plus log x cos x. So if given function is the sum of 2 or 3 function of the form f of x raised to gx, we have to follow in this way. You have, if there are 3 functions means we have to give u, v, w. Then find du by dx, dv by dx and dw by dx. Okay.